Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Through Talks podcast. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sarah. Hello, everybody. We hope you are doing well today.
Today, we have another useful English conversation for beginners.
Yes, today's topic is jobs and work. We are going to practice how to talk about your job in English.
This is a very important topic because people often ask questions like, "What do you do?" or "Where do you work?"
Exactly. And many English learners feel nervous answering these questions.
But don't worry, today we will use simple and easy English.
Okay, Daniel, let me ask you first. What do you do?
I work as a graphic designer.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What does a graphic designer do?
I create designs for websites, social media, and advertisements.
That sounds creative. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. I enjoy making new designs and working on creative projects.
That's great. How long have you been working as a graphic designer?
For about 3 years now.
Wow, that's a good amount of experience.
What about you, Sarah? What do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to children.
That's wonderful. Teaching is a very important job.
Thank you. I really enjoy helping students learn new things.
Where do you work?
I work at a small language school near my house.
That sounds convenient. How do you go to work?
Usually by bus. Sometimes my brother drives me if he is free.
How long does it take you to get there?
Around 25 minutes. What about you? Do you work in an office?
Yes, I work in a modern office in the city center.
Do you like working in an office?
Most of the time, yes. But sometimes it gets very busy and stressful.
I understand that. Some days at school are stressful too.
What time do you usually start work?
I usually start at 8:30 in the morning.
That's early.
Yes, but I finish work early too. I usually finish around 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
That's nice. I start work at 9 and finish around 5:30.
A normal office schedule.
Exactly.
What do you usually do during the day at work?
Well, first I check emails and messages from clients. Then I start working on design projects.
Do you work alone or with a team?
Mostly with a team. We discuss ideas together and help each other.
That sounds nice. Teamwork can make work easier.
Very true. What about your workday? What do you usually do at school?
I teach classes, check homework, and help students with pronunciation and grammar.
Do you enjoy teaching children?
Yes, I do. They are very energetic and funny.
Haha, I can imagine.
Do you ever work from home?
Sometimes, yes. Especially when I have online meetings or small projects.
Do you prefer working from home or working in the office?
Honestly, I like both. Working from home is comfortable, but the office feels more professional.
That makes sense.
What about you? Would you like to work from home?
Maybe sometimes, but teaching online is not always easy.
Yes, especially with young students.
Exactly. Sometimes children get distracted very quickly online.
What's your favorite part of your job?
My favorite part is seeing students improve their English. It makes me feel proud and happy.
That's really nice. Helping people is a wonderful feeling.
It really is. What about your favorite part?
I enjoy being creative and trying new ideas. I also like when clients are happy with my work.
Positive feedback always feels good.
Definitely.
What's the most difficult part of your job?
Sometimes deadlines are stressful.
Deadlines can be difficult.
Yes, especially when there are many projects at the same time.
I understand that feeling. For me, the difficult part is when students don't pay attention in class.
That must be frustrating.
A little, yes, but I try to stay patient.
Patience is very important for teachers.
Do you have good coworkers?
Yes, thankfully my coworkers are friendly and supportive.
That's important. Good coworkers can make work more enjoyable.
Exactly. We sometimes eat lunch together and joke around during breaks.
That sounds fun. My coworkers are kind too. We often share teaching ideas and help each other.
What do you usually do during your lunch break?
I usually eat with my coworkers in the teacher's room. Sometimes we talk about work, and sometimes we just chat about life.
That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
I usually go to a cafe near the office. I like getting fresh air during lunch.
That's a good idea. Sitting in the office all day can feel tiring.
Exactly.
If you could try another job, what would you choose?
Maybe I would like to be a photographer. I love taking pictures.
That sounds exciting and creative.
What about you?
I think I would like to be a writer someday.
A writer? That's interesting.
Yes, I enjoy writing stories and journals in my free time.
Well, Sarah, today we talked a lot about jobs and work.
Yes, and we learned many useful English phrases for talking about jobs.
For example, I work as a teacher. I work in an office. I enjoy my job.
Simple sentences like these are great for everyday English conversations.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to English Through Talks podcast.
We hope this episode helped you improve your English speaking and listening skills.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what do you do for work or study?
See you next time, everyone.
Bye!